Hello! You are welcome to solve this math problem, which is 5 raised to the power. A plus 5 raised to the power a is equal to 100, to find the value of a from this equation. Now, solution for our problem, which is 5 raised to the power, a plus 5 raised to the power a is equal to 100. Into here on the left side, 5 raised to the power a is common. So we'll take 5 raised to the power a out of the bracket. Then in the next step it will be 5 raised to the power a multiplied by 1 plus 1, which is 2, and this is equal to 100. Then from here we'll divide by 2 on both sides. So it will be over 2 in this side and into this side over 2. Now to simplify this, 2 will cancel this 2, so it will be 5 raised to the power a is equal to 100 divided by 2, which is 50. Then in the next step, we will apply logarithm in both sides, so it will be log of 5 raised to the power a is equal to log of 50. Into here, this power a will move to the front, so it will be a multiplied by log of 5 is equal to log of 50. Then we'll divide by log of 5 on both sides, so it will be over log of 5 on this side and over log of 5 on this side. Now to simplify this log of 5 over log of 5 cancels, then it will be a is equal to log of 50 divided by log of 5. Then, in the next step, from this log of 50, we factor 50 into prime numbers. 50 is equal to 5 times 2. 5 times 5 is 25. Then times 2 gives 50. So it will be a is equal to log of 5 times 2 divided by log of 5. Then, in the next step, it will be, from here, log of 5 times 2 is in the form of log a times b, which is equal to log a plus log b. So from this rule we apply it here. Then it becomes log of 5 plus log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Then, in the next step, we'll divide by log of 5 each term. So it will be a is equal to log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 5 over log of 5 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Now to simplify it becomes log of 5 over log of 5 is 1, so it becomes 1 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Therefore, a is equal to 2 plus log of 2 over log of 5. Then, in the next step, log of 2 over log of 5 is in the form of the rule. Log of a over log of b is equal to log of a base b. So from this rule we apply this form here. Then log of 2 divided by log of 5 becomes log of 2 base 5. So the final answer for the value of a is 2 plus log of 2 base 5,